The 1000W folding electric bike is a remarkable blend of power, convenience, and modern design, ideal for anyone looking to enjoy the thrill of cycling without compromising on portability. With its impressive specifications, including a 48V 20.8AH large removable battery, this e-bike stands out as a compelling option for commuters, leisure riders, and adventure seekers alike. At the heart of this electric bike is its powerful 1000W motor, which delivers an exhilarating riding experience that can reach speeds of over 30 miles per hour. This level of power is particularly beneficial for those who live in hilly areas or need to navigate through traffic quickly. The acceleration is smooth and responsive, making it easy to keep up with cars on busy roads. Riders will appreciate how effortless it feels to tackle steep inclines, which may have been a challenge on a traditional bike. The bike's design is both functional and appealing. It features a robust yet lightweight aluminum frame that is not only durable but also designed for easy folding. This aspect is particularly advantageous for urban dwellers or anyone with limited storage space. Whether you're commuting to work, storing it in your apartment, or taking it on public transport, the folding mechanism allows for effortless handling and storage. When folded, the bike becomes compact, making it easy to throw in the trunk of a car or fit into a closet. The 48V 20.8AH removable battery is another standout feature of this e-bike. With a capacity that allows for an impressive range, riders can expect to travel up to 80 miles on a single charge, depending on the mode of assistance and terrain. This is a significant advantage for long-distance commuters, as it minimizes the need for frequent recharges. The removable design also means you can charge the battery in your home or office without having to bring the entire bike along. The charging time is relatively quick, typically around 6 to 8 hours, allowing for a hassle-free experience. In terms of ride quality, the 1000W folding electric bike does not disappoint. It is equipped with front suspension forks that absorb shocks from potholes and uneven surfaces, ensuring a comfortable ride. The ergonomic design of the seat and handlebars further enhances comfort, making it suitable for extended rides. Additionally, the bike features a 7-speed transmission system, which offers versatility in varying terrains. Riders can easily shift gears to suit their pace and the incline they are facing, giving them total control over their ride. Safety is a priority with this e-bike, and it is equipped with front and rear disc brakes that provide reliable stopping power, especially at higher speeds. The bright LED headlight and reflective taillight enhance visibility during nighttime rides, offering peace of mind when commuting after dark. Furthermore, the bike comes with a horn to alert pedestrians, adding an extra layer of safety. One aspect that could be improved is the weight of the bike. While it is foldable and portable, the robust frame combined with the powerful motor and large battery makes it somewhat heavier than other folding bikes. This may pose challenges when lifting it for extended periods or when navigating stairs. However, the trade-off for stability and performance is often worth it, especially for those who prioritize power and durability. The assembly process is straightforward, with most of the bike coming pre-assembled. A few adjustments and installations are required, but the included instructions are clear and easy to follow, making it accessible even for those who may not be mechanically inclined. Overall, the 1000W folding electric bike is an excellent investment for anyone seeking a reliable and powerful mode of transportation. Its combination of speed, range, and portability is hard to beat. Whether you're looking to reduce your carbon footprint, avoid traffic jams, or simply enjoy the outdoors, this e-bike delivers on all fronts. It's a fantastic choice for both seasoned cyclists and newcomers to the e-bike scene. With its robust features and thoughtful design, this folding electric bike is set to revolutionize your ride, making the daily commute not just efficient but also enjoyable.